Welcome to Tantagon Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build a spring-loaded button. For the base, you want a 1x10 plate, and on that, you want a spring-loaded shooter brick, which looks a bit like this. You want to snap that on to your 1x10 plate with a 2-stutter gap right here and a 4-stutter gap here. After, put the spring-loaded shooter spring thing that you shoot, and you just want to pop that right in here. After you've done that, put 1x1 brick right in front of it, and just put a 1x6 brick here, and I made your own button which works a bit like this. I'll show you the mechanism quickly. Please like, subscribe and share if you liked my video. Bye!